know you can steer your parachute. Or are you trying to get to the ammo truck?
Oh, how the fuck do I steer my parachute?
Hey, what?
Keys.
Arrow keys? Oh my god, dude, you're the best, man. I did not know that.
What happened?
Yeah, I didn't know you could control your
Then
parachute.
you can click V to cut your parachute, then click V again to reopen it.
Oh, thanks, dude, you're the best.
So you can open it when you're like 3 meters off the ground.
Alright, like I said, I spawned in the fucking water, but I'm like 10 seconds away from land. Yeah, he taught me that I can control the parachute.
Try to move your tank.
Yeah, of course you can. How did you know that?
Because I didn't know that.
Wow.
Alright, let's let this hill I have to climb up now. I'll be there in a sec. Control shift. Let's have that 2:30, Nick. That's when shithead comes home.
Where's... Yeah.
I saw that coming, Nick. I saw the fucking jet coming. I was going to log on to it, but AIs are fucking too quick to the draw. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go buy another anti-air one.
Toss me an invite.
You have to ask him. Or can you invite Blackbeard?
No, you already...
Just did.
Alright, cheat spam. I'm curious, how come he's not at school?
I don't know.
I would ask him, but I feel like it's rude. What do you think?
Nah, it's not rude. It won't show us. It's us to go to school or anything.
You wanna jump in?
I'm just gonna quickly loot my body unless you already have. There's an enemy behind us, enemy behind us. He's at the rocks.
Oh shit.
Please kill him, man. Murder him, he might have my money.
Which
Doesn't have
rocks?
anything on it.
Look where I'm facing, directly where I'm facing. He's coming back, he's on the quad bike. He's being a dick about it. Murder him. Back here.
He's down.
Okay, hold your fire, he's dead.
Large
Do
money shipment.
Yeah.
you guys see the explosions? Unless that's
Just
Just
let
so
it
you know, it's official.
What is that noise?
I think
It's a large money shipment shooting at the helicopter.
Ah. Jesus Christ.
No, they're shooting at something else. Holy crap.
There's another tank or some shit?
I'll play my another anti-air tank after those guys have been dealt with, so I don't buy it and get killed.
There's something else shooting at them. It's a tank or Gorgon or something like that, because it had 30 or 40 mil rounds.
Did it just get blown up?
No, I blew that up. It's coming from the hill towards Blake or Emma Watson.
Oh, I'm going to go loot my body now.
Oh,
Yeah, once that shit's done, I'm gonna buy my tank again.
Yep,
Nice.
down.
Alright, let's
Alright.
go finish this large money shipment.
I'm getting my loot and shit, then I'll go buy that tank.
We
That's
pumping
the
HE
same
in
with
it?
They got out of the Morva. Oh, yep, Morva's. We got another tank.
Oh yeah, cool.
You go loot that. I'll go loot these guys' bodies.
Alright. So 75k each, I'll just give him 35k.
No, well, I'm gonna go buy my
It's a
helicopter
freaking
now.
Tigress, dude.
Yeah, can you
What's
guys
that?
give me some
What's that?
cover? There's a tigress, as he said.
It was a Tigress. Yeah.
Cheers, guys. I won't be too long, 300 meters away. I'm rushing.
I'm gonna have to put the launchers in my tank.
Dude, fuck that jet though, man. That jet was bullshit, like, it instantly shot me. You know it didn't even lock onto me? That's how bullshit it is. Now I know you're paying that AI OP.
Oh no. It did lock
shut up.
onto you. You just can't hit it sometimes, it's stupid. It's like a new feature they added in.
Cause I was thinking to myself, I was like, the fuck? I was like, I had no chance. Like, I was turning to aim at it, and I was like, I didn't even fucking know. Alright, I'm 150 meters away from the stall. I'm gonna buy the other anti-air just to see how that one is, so I can pick my favorite. Bro, just saying, why are revolvers so loud in this game, Nick?
Wait till Blake moves out of the store, dude.
Oh yeah.
Hey,
Oh,
what do you
shit.
want me to do with this tank here? This one here just chilling.
Curtis, go get that tank over there and sell it.
Where is it?
Over here, where I am.
What's over
Down near
here?
the money shipment. I'll pick you up and
Oh,
drop
Curtis, use your map.
Oh no, he's picking me up.
Bro, you have a map, man. Map.
I gotta salute you, man.
I'm gonna move out. How much money did you want, KP?
there. How much did you get from it?
75k.
Just 25 bill, I guess.
Alright. Are you gonna sell it and buy an ETA?
Yeah.
If it needs repairs, just let me know.
I'm energy, I got this. Oh, sorry man, sorry.
What happened?
I reversed and rammed into him accidentally. That was a little faster than I
Go
expected.
sell that and then buy your tank.
Alright, cheers man, appreciate it. Fucking Jet AI, man. Self-steady. I really like that we own this part of the map. It's fucking great. This
Yeah,
is-
people will be testing us left, right, and center. I'm just gonna hide here, to be honest. Cause this way here, I hide here. I can't get targeted besides the front here. Cause you guys will be at the back.
I'm not like at the back, I'm just like on the hill. Also, we're being shot at.
Taking fire.
Yeah, I
I can
realized.
just hear the crack.
Yeah, I can hear it too. I have no idea where it's coming from.
Look on the map, I marked him.
Did that
I
guy?
marked him, man.
Did that guy buy a
Did you
vehicle?
just buy that Gorgon or is that Blake's?
That's Blake's. Can you let me know when it's out of the way so I can buy mine? Oh shit, I've been shot. Can you revive me? Nick, please. Can you tell him to revive
Give me
me?
a sec, give me a sec.
Double tap caps lock. You probably will revive you.
No, I can't talk when you're laying down near dead.
You can. I do it all the time.
I'm trying now, Nick.
Damn.
Yeah. Revive you.
Oh,
I'll give you
it's
cover.
brownie.
Curtis, talk while you're down. Double press caps lock.
Love pressing that caps lock. Fuck caps lock, man.
Alright, go get him. Suppress fire up there.
Thanks, dude. I love you. I'm buying the tank now.
He was fully geared. Is there another guy shooting at us?
I'm shooting at the moment. Got your stuff?
Tank should be spawning out the front. Unless it spawned at the back, never mind, it's here.
I'm gonna go over to his gear and take
Did
his
you buy-
AT launcher.
Is that the Tigris?
Yeah. Looks exactly the fucking same. I
You
think I bought the
cover me,
same
bro?
tank.
Hmm?
I can't exactly since this tank can't even aim down.
Yeah, no, not you. Blackbeard, could you
Yeah,
cover
I'll
me?
watch
'Cause
it,
I'm
I'll
going
watch
up to his body.
Yeah.
Where else is his body?
Stop there. Let him do it. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Then both of you just
He
keep
might have been trying to get the vehicle store to buy a tank or some shit. So Nick, are you back up at the place?
coming. Yeah, I'm just chilling.
Alright, I'm coming up now. Yeah, I actually bought the wrong tank, Jesus. Oh well. No, I can't tell my favorites they want. Who
Are you
cares?
shooting?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, Nick, I'm heading up on that hill. Is the ammo truck still there? Also, there's a teammate behind us.
Yeah, there is an ammo truck still there. And no. He's right here with me.
As long as he doesn't take the ammo truck, I'll be sweet. Come on, tank, the tank that could.
Jesus, you had a lot of gear.
Did you have any money on him? Yeah, Nick, what's he doing? I think that's the... Oh, he's in an anti-air tank.
He's in a Gorgon.
Oh, go, my bad. That looked like the anti-air one. What was the air truck at? It's behind the hill, isn't it?
Yeah, where that helicopter is.
Alright. I'm gonna sit next to you. Oh, actually, no, this is actually pretty bad. If I stay here, I'm gonna go up to the hill, alright?
I'm gonna stand here because I'm watching him.
No, I'm just going up to the hill, so... Because that was best for me.
Are you ready,
Kekby?
So I'm gonna start rolling out.
Hold on.
Transformers, roll out. Did my game crash? My game crashed, Nick. Can you watch my tank, please?
Yeah.
My fucking luck, dude. Why? Why has God forsaken me? Why, Nick? Why? Did you tell him that I DC'd? Yeah?
Yeah, well.
Yeah,
I
wait,
have to watch Curse's tank because he's disconnected.
I killed them.
I didn't disconnect, I crashed.
Well, his game crashed.
I killed them all. The children. They're dead. Every single one of them. And not just the children, but the children. And the children, too. They're like children. And I slaughtered them like children. I hate them. The children.
Man, my luck, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
Well, as long as no one takes my tank, all gets blown up by fucking AIs. You know what would suck? If an airplane came or whatever. A helicopter. That would suck beyond levels of suckiness. Join a game. Oh, for fuck's sake, I got no armor launching.
Ah, that's right where I am. I must have a HE pointed towards it in case someone manages to ninja it. That way I can just disable it.
I honestly don't understand why I have every time I fucking launch armor, 2 games are open. What the fuck just happened? Games Bliss. Fuck it. I have to hand process of one of them.
I don't know, it's just driving.
Oh, close. Fake. Fucky. Fuck. Here we go, I'm loading back in. Sorry about that, fam.
Alright. Here, I'll give you 25k.
Hear me?
No,
Oh.
Kekby.
Well, I was gonna say I'm not even in game yet. I think I have to restart my game yet again, because, you know, even fucking double copies for whatever reason.
There you go.
Yeah, they got to restart my game, give you like 10 seconds. It'll make it restart.
Okay.
God damn, that's so fucking stupid, man.
Alright. What, Curse?
Nah, I'll be in sir in like 1 minute tops.
Yep.
Oh, for the fucking god, open up 2 more copies. Armor? Why do you do this to me?